随着消费者和市场的改变，市场的改变，市场的改变。
What's up guys, in this video let's check out the water test on the XIAOMI Redmi Note 5 Pro and see how it reacts to light splashes of water to heavy drenching. Let's start the test as usual from the display side, having a look at the resistance of the oleophobic coating on the Corning Gorilla Glass against water. The presence of an oleophobic layer on the glass helps in repelling water and reduces fingerprint smudges. After this we will proceed with light splashes, and if it survives, crank up the heat with heavy drenching. The Redmi Note 5 Pro has no water resistance or IP rating, so it will be interesting to watch how it reacts to water. After performing many tests, I have noticed that every phone reacts differently to water. The most common being sound distortion via the external speakers, and it can take from a few seconds to several minutes for the sound to recover completely. There have also been instances of screen flickering and random reboots. I am expecting it to easily survive the light splashing round and then the heavy drenching, just like the Redmi Note 5. So let's continue and see what happens. Unfortunately, as you can hear from the distorted audio, the Redmi Note 5 Pro could not pass the splashing round. It took about 15 to 20 minutes for the low and distorted audio to recover back to normal as compared to the Redmi Note 5, which had recovered only within a few seconds. This reminds me of the Mi A1, which also suffered severe sound distortion for several minutes. So there is no point of drenching it further, since that might result in permanent damage to the sound unit. It is best to avoid exposure to light splashes for more than a few seconds. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff and devices on the channel. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.